Today's project transforms your subject into a clay-style sculpted figure. First, simplify details by reducing clarity and using surface blur. Next, apply a soft emboss effect to exaggerate contours. Place clay textures on top and warp them to match the curves of the face or object. Set blending modes to overlay or soft light. Adjust color balance to warm earthy browns to mimic real sculpting clay. Add gentle shadows around edges to simulate natural depth. Finally, introduce faint fingerprints or tool marks using subtle texture brushes. The finished effect looks like a handcrafted clay sculpture. Let's mold your subject artistically.